Today we have a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is Hotel Guests Refuse to Leave Ends Badly.
You're gonna get your phone.
I'm gonna walk in here to the hotel room.
Don't step up on me.
A heated argument between several women outside a hotel quickly escalates when one refuses to leave and turns aggressive toward officers.
Get in the car and leave. It's not my car. Well, whatever car you need to get in, get in. Oh, okay. That's your name. It's not being racist. That right on my name is not cool. I'm gonna pull up on harassment. She's gonna get in the car. We're going. All right, we're going. You about to go. You about to go out there, or you wait for sis to pull back up? Either way, we gotta get off the property.
Yo, why my man look like the guy from Get Out? Y'all seen that movie? Nah, I gotta find that photo. I ain't gonna lie. This guy.
We're gonna get my sister go. Let's go.
Oh boy, lost.
These sisters will be scared. 5 a.m. Everyone needs to go to bed.
Look, I got it. Hold up. They got my man right here. This is my they got my guy right here, man. That one officer, man, that shit funny as hell. I ain't gonna lie. That shit, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one that found it funny, but yeah, it's mad late. So you know when you stay up late, it's like it's just fun. Like you just start laughing at shit and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's like almost 6 a.m, man. I ain't been to sleep yet. But anyway, let's continue the video, man.
Including her. You gotta go. You gotta go. You.
I gotta go nowhere.
Off
You better
the
not walk
property.
up on me. I swear to God. I'm gonna go get my phone and then I'll
Where's
walk
your phone
over.
at?
In there. I gotta find my brother.
Where's your phone at? You're gonna get your
I'm
phone.
gonna walk in here to the hotel room.
Don't step up on me.
Don't.
Your hand in my face. You go up and
Do not put your hands on me.
What?
I did not walk on shit. Y'all ready to shoot somebody. Bro, get that back.
Yeah.
They were out there arguing, yelling. I was trying to escalate shit. I'm like,
Okay. Off property. Let's go.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Off.
Not going any further. What are you touching me for?
Because you're under arrest because you're not fucking
I'm talking to
leaving.
the manager. No, you were told to leave. It's off of me.
No, she's not good.
It's off of me. Y'all have no reason to put me in no
Trespassing.
No, it's not, 'cause that whole room.
Doesn't matter. And they just kicked you out. Good, they just kicked you
Right,
out.
I just was talking to the manager.
And she told you to leave.
Yeah, he.
Whatever. Was told to leave.
By the way.
Yes, she. So,
Okay, well, change your
Stop.
Stop moving.
Let go of
No.
Let go of the arm.
No.
Let go of the phone. Let go of the phone. Let go of the phone.
You're not friend of my brother, probably. I swear to God, bitch.
Stop charges.
Brother. But no, the whole time you get my brother, my kid. Yes, you do.
Not like that.
Hey, y'all got some shit on?
Damn, my boy got the old school batons. Them the joints you carry in the prison. I haven't seen, cause nowadays officers have the expandable ones. You know what I mean? They collapse, but they expand. My boy got the old school wooden joints. That's the joints that get you together, boy. Oh boy. He got the old school wood ones. You get hit by, boy, you could get some serious act right with that, boy. You getting them together for real, for real.
No, you don't. Cause that shit flashing. So tell me it's flashing then. So what y'all arrest me for? Trespassing. What? So what's the other charge? What's up? Okay then. So I was talking to motherfuckers, get my phone. No, too late. Nothing. That's some me though. Y'all ready to lock a black motherfucker up? Man, what my arm? You need to take some time.
You wanna go your car with?
Anything I say to you has nothing to do with shit. Law number 2. I can talk anything I want to talk.
It's actually number 1.
Number 2.
Other side. Number 2 is right to bear arms.
And you putting your hands on me for no reason? Yeah. I can't wait till I go to court. I swear to God. And I hope your body came on. Because you pushed me for no
Hold against the car, please.
I ain't show no mother. Can I move over here because it's hot?
Yeah, that's fine. Do you have
I ain't
anything?
show harm to you or nothing. You push me.
Yeah,
And I was
because
trying to
you're
tell you-
stepping up to me.
No, I was trying to tell you last I'm trying to de-escalate the shit. And I walked in trying to get my phone. And y'all trying to
Do
get
you
on
have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, stick me, poke me, anything like that?
Pockets.
I don't know.
You push me. No. What you talking about?
Can one of you females search her, please, by
Man,
chance?
that's domestic violence, right? Off a peace officer. Separate me from me. No, I ain't separated shit. Figure it out.
That's domestic violence off of a peace officer. What? What type of stuff is she talking about, man? I know my rights. I know my laws.
Separate your feet.
You want a resisting charge too?
We're gonna make it work.
It's right here. I gotta pull my shit out. It's right here. What you gonna separate them? It's right here. You can pull that pussy on it. Right there. So feel it.
You done?
Are you done?
You're the one acting
You feel
like a
like
child right now.
Man, you act like a rated cop when you're not. Low rated like y'all feel like your body is hell, huh? Y'all not. None of y'all got your body cams on.
They're all on.
Then say it.
Right there.
Then say it.
I just said it.
And why shit ain't populated?
Doesn't do it that way.
Yeah. Well, say you got your body cam on, because that's what you're supposed to do.
Multiple times.
That's what you're supposed to do. What else are you supposed to do?
You got it.
Huh? What else are you supposed to do? Do you know? Do you know?
Do you know? Because you clearly don't understand
Yeah.
the law.
What you know? What you know? What you like? What's your right now? What you got right here? Am I in a criminal? Don't.
No, let's
Put
go.
that back on. Okay.
In the car. Put your foot in the car. Put your foot in the car.
Okay, hold time.
Put it in the car.
Okay, I'll hear you, but can you get my brother my phone number?
Put it.
He's not getting the phone.
Okay,
Thank you for your assistance.
Doesn't
Give her
matter.
what she wants.
Her property's going out with her. Alright,
You understand why she's gone, though?
yeah. She absolutely right.
I'm trying to stop fights and everybody trying to get on me like I did something.
I am going to be nice one time,
pushed me.
okay?
You pushed me. I didn't walk up on you aggressive
So-
at all. Man, the I
So
did not
I'm gonna
walk
be
up on you
nice
aggressive.
once.
I'm trying to stop
Okay.
fights, bro.
What is your name?
A-N.
What is it? Can you provide me your name and birthday so I don't have to... Is that
You don't like the bird?
Okay.
That's the last name.
What's your first name?
You can find my name off the last name, Swan.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100% on that.
Man, go look my shit up, bro.
Well, I don't have to argue.
Call y'all sergeant.
Why would you like a
Call
sergeant?
y'all sergeant. Period. I don't have to ask. I don't have to answer your question. Call y'all sergeant right now. Please. Like this. I'm trying to stop fighting shit. Y'all want to sit here and put me up hands like I was doing some shit. The out of here. You should have walked up with the bush and out talking about they showed up body cam to your sergeant on me. I did not walk up to you aggressive. Call y'all sergeant.
What's your first name?
Call the sergeant! Call the sergeant! Don't ask me shit else till you call you sergeant!
Nope.
I'm so
She's asking for a sergeant, but she just says she wants one because she thinks she's arrested for no reason, so... Nope. If you can finesse her name, sure, but... is her last name. She gave Swan and then a birth date, but wouldn't give a first name, so if I can't get it from
Brother.
from them or
Oh, yeah.
We have brothers.
You wouldn't give her name.
brother wouldn't even give us her name.
No, he said
Okay.
you gotta ask her.
Well, you're still getting a you know? She gave us a last name and a birth date, but she said you can look it up and find out who I am.
We can look that up.
Can he? Well, if that's her real.
Yeah, if that's a real name.
I'm sure she's better.
I'd venture to guess. Then she goes out
I'm
there.
sure she's never had police contact.
She go out there for resisting and criminal trespass.
Is Wilby still at JDC?
Probably.
Away from close.
Okay, perfect.
Oh.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Did we already call for him?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah. What a fun
And then
time.
We do have Agbat.
Well, we do ag assault.
I don't. Okay, excellent.
I mean, she said that she was gonna beat our ass, and she stepped up to me.
Okay.
Close enough that I had to physically push her back.
You can put resisting if you want to put it in there for it too.
I didn't know if you were trying to get him to take the lead on that, but I was like, I'm fucking
Yeah.
I was with you too. I'm like, I'm real close to.
That's gonna get dropped though. That assault or whatever that they trying to put on her. Cause I think it would have more weight with like if she stepped up, he pushed her back, like back up or whatever, and then he went to arrest her right then and there. But that's not how it went down. Like she stepped up, he pushed her back. She went to go look for her phone and everything, and everybody was just like, well, hey, you gotta leave. You know, a whole like conversation happened after that. It wasn't like it just, you know, whatever. We'll see.
Thank God that lady was not like, oh, well, she just goes to your room.
Yeah, that lady was like, fuck you. She got real mad when she called her man too.
I hate her.
Well, that's why I was like, I think she after the fact, 'cause she's like, that's not she, and then like had me doubt myself.
Am I doing this or you?
We can do it.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah, we don't have. I think we're done with our one other report.
Okay, because I haven't even started
I
my.
figured, yeah.
I have the original for Hoops and then the sub for Broadway. I have 2 reports and 2 use of force.
Hell yeah.
First name over there, last name is I can't think. She was the original fighter here. Though.
I literally walked up, I was like, of course she
I think that's who Jameer's looking for, because he's like, I came to get my baby mama. So I'm assuming that's her. And then his sister started fighting in the car.
At least the Broadway thing's like relatively simple because neither one of them wanted to talk.
Yeah.
So it's just like, all right, well, here's what I got. And then I'll look, just say Watland possibly had video. I'll look at his in-car when he...
And I told Hughes too, I was like, here's what happened. Wallen said he might have footage of the other dude.
If they do, and it's him, I 49 out for him.
He'll be around again. He definitely doesn't think he has charges for it, so he won't be weird about it.
Imagine getting picked up like 4 months later for an armed violence.
Well, that's it. I told the kid, I was like, I can't say for sure if you're in there or not. I was like, if you were, quit doing this shit. If you weren't, quit being out at night because this is what happens.
Because you're going to get caught up in some shit, man. Like, you came real close to going JDC on big boy charges.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass, resisting an officer, and aggravated assault.
You're going to...
Oops. Yeah. Yeah, whole lot of BS at the end, you know, just cop small talk, you know what I mean? But damn, it was wow. To see the old school baton, like I haven't seen that since I was in corrections, man. Like, yeah, man. That's the old school joint. What? Solid wood. Oh, what? That thing can do some damage, boy. But yeah, man, just you know, she just acting out for no reason, man. Simple stuff. Just leave. You know, you don't want to leave. You want to do things your way. Well, all right. Well, you can go on down to the county. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.